Hey, Rocketeers, and welcome back to Social Skills. I hope that you're doing just fine, and I can't wait to share this new lesson with you. Today's lesson is caring and helping. And we also want to keep in the back of our minds that empathy is feeling or understanding what someone else is feeling. Let's share out. Last time, we learned that sometimes things happen by accident. What three things do you say when accidents happen? Pause the video, comment, and post your thoughts. What three things do you say when accidents happen? First, I'm sorry. Second, it was an accident. And third, are you okay? If you remembered those three steps, give yourself a pat on the back. Today's objective: I can identify and demonstrate that listening and helping are ways to show I care. What is compassion? Compassion is showing or telling others that we care about how they feel. This time, read the definition with me. Let's go. Compassion is showing or telling others that we care about how they feel. Good work, guys. This week, we will talk about caring about how others feel and how we can help them. Let's start with a story first. This is Lonnie, and this is his friend Deshaun. Let's listen into the story. Lonnie had a special glittery stone that he found in the park, but he lost it somewhere on the playground. Lonnie's friend Deshaun heard Lonnie had lost his special stone and came over to see. Think, how is Lonnie feeling? And how can you tell? Pause the video, comment, and post your thoughts. How is Lonnie feeling, and how can you tell? I think Lonnie's feeling sad because he lost his shiny stone. And I can tell because he's sitting on the steps right here. His eyes are looking down. It looks like he might be crying or pouting a little bit. He looks really sad to me. His mouth looks really tight. If you thought those things, good work. Think, how's Deshaun feeling and how can you tell? Pause the video, comment, and post your thoughts. How's Deshaun feeling and how can you tell? I think Deshaun is feeling empathy for his friend, and I can tell because he's actually looking and tracking his friend. How is Deshaun showing that he cares about how Lonnie is feeling? Pause the video, comment, and post your thoughts. How is Deshaun showing that he's caring about how Lonnie's feeling? Well, it looks like he's listening because he's tracking with his eyes, his ears, and his brain. Listening is one way to show that you care about how others are feeling. Wait, how do you show that you're listening again? Hey, you're right. I'm so glad you remember. Now, pretend that you're Deshaun. What could Deshaun do to show Lonnie that he cares? Pause the video, comment, and post your thoughts. What could Deshaun do to show Lonnie he cares? Well, he could help because helping is another way to show you understand and care about how others feel. Deshaun could help Lonnie find his shiny stone. How do you feel when someone shows you that he or she cares about your feelings? Pause the video, comment, and post your thoughts. How do you feel when someone shows you that he or she cares about your feelings? Well, I know if someone is showing me that they care about my feelings, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel confident that somebody actually cares about how I feel as a person. And I hope that you would feel the same way. Because When we have empathy for others, we show or tell them that we understand how they feel. That's called compassion. That's called what, guys? Compassion. How can you show others that you care? Think about two things we just talked about. What are two things you can show that you care? Pause the video, comment, and post. How can you show others that you care? First, listen. You want to make sure that you're using your eyes, ears, and brain to listen carefully and on what they have to say. And second, we want to make sure that we are helping. So whatever uh, is going on, if they fell, we want to make sure that we help them up. If they lost something, we want to make sure that we help them try to find it. Again, first we listen, and then second, we help them. Let's see if the characters in our next story can follow these ways. Puppy and Snail. Puppy, what's wrong? I hear you crying. Are you okay? I was playing with another dog. We were chasing each other, and the other dog bit my tail by accident. The dog said he was sorry, but it hurts. Here's a bandage for your tail, puppy. I'm sad it hurts. I hope you feel better soon. Thank you, Snail. How did Snail show compassion? Pause, comment, and post your thoughts. How did Snail show compassion? Snail, you showed that you cared. You helped your friend by bringing a bandage for his tail. Way to go, Snail. When we have empathy for others, it's important to find ways to show or tell them that we understand how they feel. We saw how Snail showed compassion towards Puppy by giving him a band-aid. What are some other ways Snail could have shown compassion? Pause the video, comment, and post your thoughts. What are some other ways Snail could have shown compassion? Well, he could have, what were those two things that we learned about? He could listen and he could help. So thinking about that, maybe he could listen to the story and really show empathy, just like we saw Deshaun show empathy with Lonnie. Or he could help Puppy walk, or maybe help Puppy like tell his mother like what happened as well. Those are other ways that Snail could show compassion. And I also see you guys put some different things. Way to go. To show we care, we can listen to the other person and we can also help them. Let's wrap it up. Today you learned how to show others you care about how they feel by listening to them and helping them. Another word for caring is compassion. And compassion can make a difference when others are feeling sad. What are two ways you can show you care? Pause the video, comment, and post your thoughts. What are two ways you can show you care? Yes, listen and help. You're right. This week, see if you can show compassion to members of your family. Questions for kindergarten. You may write, draw, or practice your answers for us to talk about later on this week. Number one, what does compassion mean? Number two, what two ways can we show we care? And three, how did you show compassion this week? I'm sorry, guys, let me repeat that. Who did you show compassion to this week and how? Hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you later.